Maintaining an electric lawnmower is vastly simpler than a gas mower, but it still is important to do the routine maintenance or else you're gonna end up paying for it down the road. First, what I'd want you to do is to make sure to be sharpening your blades. Your blades are very important to make sure that it is cutting evenly, smoothly, and you're not adding extra work on top of things by using dull blades. About every 2 to 3 months, you should have them resharpened. And at the beginning of the season, make sure to have it resharpened so you're ready to go. You can go into almost any hardware store that's maybe a big chain, things like that, and they should offer some kind of sharpening and balancing for your blades. I would definitely look and shop around because that can really help with the quality of the cut that you're gonna have. Next, I'd want to encourage you with the batteries on your electric mowers. These batteries are very expensive. They're about half the cost of the entire mower system and setup, as well as being compatible with other products. I have a DeWalt electric mower here. They work with tons of the DeWalt products, but if I don't take care of my batteries, they're going to lose capacity over time and it's gonna go even faster. What I would encourage you to do is, yes, charge them, use them, but when you're storing them, don't just store them in the mower, because if your mower gets stolen, it'd be so much nicer if it's just the mower and not the batteries. Put the batteries inside your house, store them inside. They're small, you can put them just about anywhere, but you can store them inside. It also means they're not subject to the heat that's probably in your garage, whether it's really hot in the summer or really cold in the winter. Just keep them inside, just makes it so much easier. And then the body of your mower, you want to make sure to be cleaning it regularly. So after you're done using it, take a leaf blower if you have it and just blow off everything on the top, everything under, and just get it all clean. You don't have to squeegee clean it, all completely clean it unless if you want to, but taking care of it will improve and increase the lifetime of your mower. And then to go along with the body and the batteries, I want you guys to be marking your batteries and the body of your mower. Mark your initials on it in Sharpie. And then also, I want you guys to mark your date of purchasing that product, because that will help you to know whether your product is still in warranty if you ever have issues. And it's also helpful just to know how long have you had your batteries, how long have you had your mower. I would encourage you guys to do that just in case if it were ever to get stolen or for warranty purposes. So you guys, I hope these tips have helped you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and leave a like if this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.